Salam guys, how are you? I hope you all are good. So today we'll start some important points of Urdu. This is the second lesson, first lesson of this tutorial, or you can say lessons have been published. You can see if you can watch if you didn't watch. Okay, so start from today. This is the line of you can say column of Urdu letter like alif, be, pe, te, which I have told in my last video, just last video, because this is the second series of that, you know, this is the second part of that series, and this is letter and this is name of letter like alif. If you don't know alif, what is this? It is alif written as Urdu names. This is be and written be, pe written pe. This is te and te. T sounds like ta and ta, but this is two, 2 points, and this is same like be pe, but having 2 points above this, and it is called te. Te. So it cannot be used in total, but it is te, and you can say ta and te. So this is te and this is te and this is ta. Well, it's okay. Now this is the pronunciation, and how the letters a, alif, be, pe, te, okay, produces sounds like alif sounds like a or a, be sounds like b, and pe sounds like p, te sounds like ta, ti. It is written soft ta, not ta, but ta. This is te and this is te. This is te. It is written hard. So alif, name alif uses like a, as a in far. This is the letter, oh sorry, this is the word far. Between the two letters f and r, this is a, okay, and it is using far, okay, and this is use of a like far in a. Here is the alif sounds. Be sounds like b, and as b in big, like big. Big means not small, so b like uses sounds like bay. Okay, so I'm going to going it so fastly, and just have a look and remember it. Pay sounds like p, as p in the pen. Okay, this pen, pa. Te soft te, as the in theater. Okay, this is te in Urdu. Te letter or alphabet, you can say te. It is called ta or te. You can say ta and te both. Ta hard. Okay, use like ta t, as t in tom. So this is te like sound, tom, ta. Okay, and this one say in say, as in sir please. So you can say as, it means sir. This is Jim, written Jim, name of the letter Jim, sounds like J in jar. So this is Jim, like J, sounds like J. This is Che, written name Che, sounds like cha, not ka. This is cha, like chemistry. Okay, sorry, not chemistry. In chemistry, cha is ch is sounds like ka, but in child or in children or chilled, ch sounds like cha. Ch in child, that means ch is che, sounds like che. Here, this is hey, written name of the letter hey, and in Persian hey. when you produce the sound from your throat, hey, not hey. Hey and hey having the very big difference if you catch it. So uh, as sounds h in mohal, like mohal, or you can say han, hen, han, a bird's name, han. And hagia sophia, have you seen? Then hagia, whatever it is called. Well, khay sounds like khay, not kha. Kha and kha. Khay, okay. Kh, kha, okay. Guttural, as ch in loch, okay. This is also sometimes used as kha. Well, loch, why it is why this is writing, I would like to use the kha, like lack, lac, lack, okay. Lakh, not c, lakh, lack. And this is kh, sorry, kh sounds like khe. When you will write khan, just like kha, or an alif zabar kha and noon, this is khan, okay. And this is dal, dal, name of the letter dal, d, 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 and not da, okay. This is name of the letter dal, but sounds like the, as the, th, the, in the, this is the, okay. And this one is da, or you can also say dal, and it sounds like d, da, okay. As d in dull or doll, this is the dal sound, okay. So next one is zal. This is very heavy word, zal, and zal in like sounds like z, okay. And which sentence comes with z? Yeah, you can write any name. If anyone's name is Zan, it means here is the zal, for instance, and this is Ray, name of the letter Ray, sounds like R, as R in Rama, or R in Rocky. So here is the sound of Ray, name of the letter Ray. So this is lay, and or you can also la and lay, the same thing. And sounds like la, not ra, okay. I think this point denotes la, okay, as la in ladka. I would like to say, is there any word sounds like la? I think, okay, I'll tell you if there is a sounds like la in English, okay. Now going to turn this page. Again, the letter with z sound. This is z, name of the letter z in English, and sounds like z, as z in zoo or zeist, or uh, zoom also, but looks like z, okay. Now this is z, z, z and h, z, okay, as z in lizard. Well, this is seen, name of the letter seen, sounds like as in sun, okay, some. And c, there are lots of letters, no need to recall all the letters because there are lots of letters. This is sh like sound, and name of the letter is sheen. This is seen, sa, sheen, sha, sounds like sha, and as a sh in shine, okay, shine. And also in attention, I don't want to write attention, tion, shun, okay, and same like shine. This is swad, name of the letter swad, sounds like as in surat or surat, okay. Surat, do you know Surat? Surat is the Surat in Urdu, name, meaning of the letter face. Face means Surat. So this is Zwad, sound, name of the letter Zwad, sounds like z, as z in zarur, you know, zarur. Next one, toy, name of the letter toy, sounds like ta, not ta, it's ta, as ta in tara, okay. I write how to, this is Urdu word, this is also Urdu word, this is also Urdu word. Why it is put h, no need to h, okay. And this is Zoe, name Zoe, sounds like Zoe, z, as z in nazar. I will write this letter in Urdu after some time or after next video. In next video I would like to say. This is ain, sounds produces from your throat, ain in Arabic, okay. Why it is written like this, ain. I think, have you heard the name of the city or name of the state in United Arab Emirates? Al Ain. So that's Ain, you know, just like Ain. So this is the Ain. This one Ain. Al Ain. You know, if you write Al Ain in Arabic, Al Ain, Ain will be starts from this Ain. Okay. And this one is Ghain. It looks like Ain, but having the this point, and is differentiate it's from the letter Ain. So Ghain as G in second, second. Well, whenever you will use in the place of Ghain, this is G and H, not only this, okay. This is Fay, name Fay, sounds like F, as F in fee. This is Cough, sounds, name of the letter Cough, sounds like Q, and it produces from your throat, Ka, okay. As Q in Kalam. Kalam is the Arabic word, it is used in Hindi and Urdu also. And Ka, like, you know, coin. But in English there is no ka and ka, it's simply ka. But in Urdu or Arabic, it is like ka from sounds from the throat, and ka sound from the not from the throat, okay. And this is calf, name calf, sounds like ka, as C in calf or CH in chemistry, because ka means ka, okay. Ka means K sound, K like sound, or CH like sound, because sometimes CH like cha and CH like ka, okay. And this one is Gaf, name Gaf, sounds like G, like ga sounds, it produces only ga. But sometimes G produces in English like ja and ga both, but ga is always ga. As G in go, okay, and many more. This is the letter lam, name lam, and sounds produces like L, you know. Why it looks like I, you know, L. As L in long, lever, okay, many more. And the after the lam, this is meme, name written meme, sounds like M, as M in me, me, or mom. Here is also you can find ma sound, meme sound, okay. So another word is noon. This is noon. The name of the letter here is noon. Sounds like n, as n in the name, or night, or noon, or many more. The letter wow, I told you in the last, in the last video, I have name of this and how to write, I have told in last video. This is wow, name wow, and it sounds like wow, o n u. Okay, not you sometimes, but you. But I'll try to, okay, try to say how it is works as you. But simply wa and o, wa, w, and o sound and w sound. Okay, why it is simple? Wow, like way, has the wow sound, and well has the wow sound. Okay, and this one choti hai, in Urdu it is called choti hai, and it's simply written hey. Sounds like hey, not from the it sounds not from produces from throat. It's only simply hey, ha, ha, hey. Okay, when you sounds produce from when you try to pronounce the badi hai looks like, this one, badi hai, this one, and its sound produces from the throat. Okay, like hey, hey, and this one is hey, and this is choti hey, as h in hot or hat or many more. Okay, and this one is, guys, I would like to tell you, choti ye, this one choti ye, and this one badi ye, and both produces sounds like, and both are simply say ye, and sounds like. Why it is like? Okay, sometimes it e sound like, but this one y sound. Okay, as in late. Actually this is not good. Okay, I will tell you, this is ye, both are ye. Okay, and if you would like to in English word like say, okay, say, then a and y both sound produces like badi a. And if you say, or if you write in English yummy, this ya or this y sounds like choti a. Okay, and this is the main point. I think you hope sorry, I hope you will get something and you will learn something today. So I will continue this series of Urdu, learn Urdu from this book, and learn Urdu through English videos. And please stay with us and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, bye bye, take care.